Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to connect other devices to your Spotify account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and then you should click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the devices section and click on it. Then, as you can see, you should connect it to a device by clicking on the devices menu. Here, as you can see, at the top your current device is indicated, and if you want to connect the device, you need to allow Spotify to access your local network to find your devices. So you need to click on the this button in the middle and then open your settings, and here allow the application to access your local network by tapping on this button. By going back to the app, you are going to see that you have the chance to select a device. As you can see, a TV is listed here. So if you want to connect to it, just simply click on it, and now you will be able to play your song on your TV. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.